Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is meat sauce pasta or sauce bolognese or Italian sauce for lasagna, spaghetti, any kind of pasta. Is a homemade, so delicious and nutritious. You can use it with all kind of pasta dishes. It will take a lot time to make this one. We'll make it with a lot of love, but the result is so good as you see right here. Stay with me to see all the steps. First step, we take a pot and I have 2 pounds of ground meat, 1 pound of ground beef and a pound of ground lamb. You can use the 2 pounds ground beef or ground lamb, or you mix beef and sashes, ground sashes, any meat you prefer. Then I will cook it. Before that I start adding the rest of the ingredients. It's very simple but it's delicious. You can cook this meat sauce or sauce bolognese on the slow cooker too, because it will take between 3 to 4 hours to simmer. Now, as you see here, the meat is well done. Then I will add a whole chopped or ground white onion. If you know your kids or your family don't like pieces of onions, you can ground these onions, but in the end it will not show because it will simmer for 3-4 hours. It will not show. Then some celery, chopped celery. The ingredients on this sauce, very good ingredients. You will make it with a lot of love. Also, I'm adding some chopped or ground carrots. That's in the place of sugar. You know, for pasta sauces, usually tomato sauces, we add some sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. In place of sugar, you can add carrots. Here also I have the garlic. You can fresh cut or crush garlic or garlic powder. Mix everything good again. Each time we add, we like build up the flavor, the layers of flavors one by one. Here I'm adding some oregano. You can add fresh oregano like that, or dry oregano or fresh oregano, whatever you prefer, but it will give a very nice flavor to this meat sauce. Also here I'm adding the chopped parsley, fresh parsley. Mix everything. Look to this color, very nice color. Here we build in all the flavors. We add ingredients by ingredients and we mix. Then I have a fresh basil, a good quantity of basil. I will cut it and add it there. Look, all these pieces, it will not stay like that in the end because it will cook for a long time. Do it in the slow cooker or you simmer it on the top of the stove like that in a low heat. The smell is so good already with all these different herbs. Mix good until it start cooking. Before that we add the rest of the ingredients. And here is one of the secret ingredients of the Italian sauces is the anise or fennel seeds. You add only a little bit of it. It brings the meat flavor and give the sauce a very nice flavor. That's one of their secrets. Now I add 2 cups of This is, I have vegetable stock, or you can have vegetable broth, whatever broth you have, 2 cups. Then I will start adding the tomato sauce. I'm adding 2 cans of 28 ounces of tomato sauce, or you can add crushed tomatoes, 1 tomato sauce and 1 crushed tomatoes, 28 ounces. Mix everything good. Then now another secret of the Bolognese sauce or the Italian meat sauce is the tomato paste. I'm adding 2 cans of tomato paste. As you see here, I cut the both ends of the tomato paste and squeeze it. It was easy to take it out the can like that, all of it in one time. But be sure to rinse your cans before that you open them. That's very important. Like that, you don't have no dust, no nothing. See, then I'm taking the top. Then mix everything together until this tomato paste gets all melted on this sauce. That's one also of the secret ingredients to give this sauce thickness and also a lot of tons of flavor. Not like if you only add tomato sauce. Tomato paste is very important and brings a lot of flavor to this sauce. Now we will cover it and let it cook in a low heat for 3 to 4 hours, and you stir from time to time to the sauce don't stick in the bottom. Now after a few hours you see that the level of the tomato sauce is going down, and start cooking. Is not completely cooked, but is almost done. Now after almost 4 hours my sauce is all cooked, well done, thick and very nice to serve with any kind of pasta, spaghetti, or you can make lasagna with it. It's very delicious sauce by itself. It's a lot of flavor because it was simmering for a few hours. You can use between 3 to 4 hours, and it build up all the flavors. This is a very good sauce. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you tried the sauce, let me know in the comments how did you like it, and enjoy it with your family. See you next time in a new video and new recipe. God willing. Enjoy.